Hey guys, what's up? Myself Jay, and in this tutorial we gonna discuss something on number systems in programming. In my previous video I talked about something more on data types. If you haven't watched it yet, link in the description. So those who are new to programming, there are few kinds of number systems in programming like hexadecimal, octal, decimal and binary. So let me open my IDLE. So if I write 2 plus 3, so computer doesn't understand what is 2, what is 3. So it converts it into binary format. So 2 is 10, 3 is 11. So when binary addition is done, it's a bit different from normal addition. When binary addition is done, so the output is 101. And when this binary format is converted into decimal format, the output is 5. So let's see. Yeah, the answer is 5. Now, if you want to convert a decimal format into a binary format, there is a built-in function in Python called as bin. And in round brackets, you just need to write some numbers. That will be 294. So it's 100100110. And you might have noticed what is this 0b. It represents that it's a binary format of 294. So binary format is done something like this. You would be able to see on my screen. And now if I want to convert a binary format into a decimal format, I can do it by just write, let me just copy it. So when I write 0b, the computer understands that I need to convert this binary format into a decimal format. Hit enter, it's 294. Now if I want to convert a decimal format into a hexadecimal format, we can use a built-in function called as hex and just pass the number 294. So it's 0x126. So 0x again represents that it's a hexadecimal format of 294. And if I write 0x126, so it's 294 when it gets converted into decimal format. Now if I want to convert a decimal format into an octal format, there's a built-in function called as OCT, and let me press 294. So it's 00446. So when I write 00446, so again over here 04 represents that it's an octal format of 294. And when I write 00446, the output is 294. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.